Oh, what you doing? Let's give you some bites.
It's for Emily. It's baby's first books.
Yeah, because Emily needs more books.
Here, let's take one out so Emily can look at the books instead of the cardboard stuff.
Did you see your bites, Em? Look, Em, there's the bites. What do those have on those? Oh, I didn't even notice. They have numbers. They have numbers on them, Andrew. Andrew, I don't know if you can see, but with our Christmas tree, we did use the book. We did the countdown. And then, so they're all on our Christmas tree. And if you can tell, the Christmas tree is only decorated from about 1.5 feet and up. Yep.
Maybe you can give that to Emily.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Henry, can you